Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I've got a quick tip for you on two great products that you can use to get a longer lasting, high shine, full color lip application. So starting off with our Glimmersticks lip liner in Perfect Plum. And I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna line the edge of the lip, top and bottom. Then, to help give my lip gloss, my Avon Lip Glow, a good surface to hold on to over the whole lip, I'm just going to fill in that line over the whole lip. And I find it helps if I've got just a little bit extended past the end there, and I kind of turn it sideways. It goes on a little better if you're filling in. This is, of course, a little trickier in the phone than it would be in my mirror. And then just to kind of even it out a little bit, give it a little press there. So that's now I've got the color all over and something for my lip gloss to hold on to. I also like to, when I'm doing my lip gloss, especially with our Avon Lip Glow, because it's a nice saturated color, I like to kind of take off the excess a little bit and start with a thinner layer. Just to make sure I get everything nice and even. And then I'll usually go back and do a second coat. Just to really get a nice full color and amp up that shine. So that is the Glimmersticks. This is in Perfect Plum, and I went with the Estrella in our Lip Glow. So it's a nice, fun, iridescent berry color, just to get a nice full color high shine that's going to last a little bit longer with the addition of the lip liner there. So there's my quick tip for your lips this morning. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon.